So we went out this afternoon and picked a whole bunch of blueberries from our land. We walked past where the beaver is making his like dam and stuff, and it looks really awesome, and he's taking down a lot of trees for us, which is really cool. And we went past that and then a little further into the bush, and we picked all these blueberries. We were gone maybe an hour. So that's like almost 2 liters.
Sam's been into those ones.
Yeah, they were both really full. And we took the dogs, and the dogs loved it because they just ran through the bush, and they ate blueberries, we ate blueberries, we picked blueberries. It was such a great time, and we're going to try doing it over the next few days. So we're going to freeze these, and then we're going to go back maybe tomorrow or the next day and get more, and then maybe we'll start canning them. We'll bring you with us maybe next time. We just kind of wanted to go today and enjoy some family time, but we will take you with us probably tomorrow or the next day, and you can see the blueberry fields. We have so many of them, and watch us pick some blueberries. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna make blueberry pancakes for breakfast, so that's great. Yum.
Good day, folks. Welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. So I'm up here working on the soffit. They're just about to get started on it. And well, let me show you here what I decided. I decided to cut that off so you can see they've hacked this off here, there, and then this here will probably just, remember I was saying the other day, because remember this here, it's higher. I'm gonna have to like I'll just keep it in line with this one, so there'll just be kind of a space here, so it might not look perfect along here, but I just won't bury the screws or whatever in it, and I'll make it work out for this small section. I wasn't gonna, and then once I get up here I was like, I'm gonna. So I am. So I've got it ready to start here. I've cut this one back, and I'm just gonna try to, you know, match a ridge of the next one here, and then go across here. I gotta put my J or F trim on here. I got the line chalk for that. Gonna go down to that end, and then I got a little piece down there where I'll do the box return. But for now I'm just going to throw this up, get a few pieces started, see how this is going to look. The fascia I'll go over top here to kind of hide that in, and we should be alright. Oh, and I just cut that with the Sawzall there. Tore a bit of the fascia out with the cat's paw, just with a couple of nails that were in it, and I just used that level to put from this part over to here where the chalk line is. I'm having trouble seeing here, so I just put that way there. I had my mark to put there, and then chalk the line, made a mark there, chalk the line, and then I'll match it with this one here. But yeah, I just cut that out with a Sawzall. I just put it up with these here. I find it much easier to use these screws. They're not the cheapest, but they're way better to work with. I used the same ones last year too. So I used those to put up all the trim and the soffit and everything. Just put a screw in here, overlap, keep, you know what I mean, keep going. And then same with the F trim, I'll put that up with the screws too, just a few to hold it up. Alright, so I got first little piece started up here. I'm going to measure from here over to there, and then cut these to the length. And as you see, I got dog prints all over it, so I'm first going to spray that down with the hose. And then I just use these to cut this, and anytime I'm cutting that too, wherever it is, right there somewhere. So I use this, let's see here, square, just on there to make a straight line when I cut it. Mark it with the pencil, right? Oh yeah, as I'm going along here also, I had that insulation stuff up there to keep the bugs out and stuff, so obviously I'm ripping that out as I go. Okay, so you see I got it going along here. I got a little bit of a bump there because that goes from a smaller piece to the bigger piece, but I'm going to have the flashing come down and meet to that as best I can to, you know, level it out there. But, so I'm just going to continue with that, put another piece of that on there, and just continue going along with that there. So, if you stop in tomorrow, I'm going to build the box return. You can see what I do there. I haven't built one there before because last year it was different. As you can see down here, because of this piece, that was a piece of strapping that was too short, it caused me to have to do something different over here. So it worked out, whatever. It's not the prettiest, but it just ended up coming down like that. So I never had an actual return. It's just, it's fine. But over this one, since me and my cousin did this one, we put the 2x6 on there so we can do the box return with this here, because the 2x6 runs into the same thing over here, right? So I'll do that, and if you stop in tomorrow, you'll see what I do there. So the best way to keep updated is subscribe, hit the bell to get notified when I upload a video, and it's that simple. It's free. So thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we will see you tomorrow. I'll do that box return. Everybody have a great day. It's hot. I'm gonna get a drink and keep at her. I'll just go half so it doesn't bind it up.
Okay.
I could probably get a little more of them in there, eh?
Mm-hmm.
So bind it up.
Definitely.
Oops.
Yummy. Not plugged in.
Is it? Their thing's not on.
Yeah, the colors doesn't work anyway. Needs a new battery.
Oh. That's good.